I can't stop. Thomas can't stop. No. Okay, I can't stop. My boiler's gonna get up. But, Percy, if I die, I'll never forget you. No, Thomas, don't go. No. Oh. Help! 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 My brakes are too loosenly. I couldn't get there. If I die, thank God. Heaven thank God. God will say goodbye to you all. Power of friendship. Got you. Tow you back to the yard. I'm safe. That was a close one. Come on. I'll take you to the Steamworks. Okay. Especially you. Especially you need to get to... So, Kevin. So, Victor, how many days is it going to take to fix Thomas? 3 days. Later. Oh, Thomas, you're all better. Yay, let's chuff back to Sodor. Friends, we're all friends. We will biff it to the very end. Okay, this is very tough, but I can make it. Stranger, what I'm gonna make this. Just bye everyone.